Have you ever wanted to invest in many stocks at once, but without buying each one separately? That's exactly where ETFs come in. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. An ETF is an investment fund that holds a basket of assets, such as stocks, bonds, commodities, or even cryptocurrencies, and it trades on the stock exchange, just like a regular share. When you buy one ETF, you automatically invest in multiple assets at the same time. ETFs are designed to track an index, sector, or theme. For example, some ETFs follow market indexes, others focus on technology, banking, gold, or global markets. They are bought and sold during market hours, and their prices change in real time, just like stocks. ETFs offer diversification, meaning lower risk compared to buying a single stock. They usually have lower fees than mutual funds, high transparency, and flexibility to trade anytime during market hours. ETFs are popular among beginners, long-term investors, and professionals who want cost-effective and diversified exposure to the market. In short, ETFs combine the simplicity of stocks with the diversification of funds, making them a powerful tool in modern investing.